he's got it. Winner, come on up here, and you're not supposed to touch it, so, well, I mean, you can touch the side. I am a coin collector, so I have a little bit of knowledge here on that. There you go. 0248, okay, thank you very much, you bet. And I've got, yep, congratulations there. Thank you. I actually have another uncirculated 101-year-old Morgan silver dollar. Let's give that one away. 0256. 0256. Next 0255. 0255. 0256. 0255. 0. Nope. He's got it. All right. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take that and put that inside this little velvet container there. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Al, bonus security. Come on up. You want to do it, Ben? Okay. Oh man. We have some. Now, we're not able to take it out of the bag legally. We get in trouble. But if you're looking for a martini night or want to really have a good time later on and not have to go purchase your own drinks this evening, we have a fully stocked bar. So from Epona Security, thank you, Ben. Thank you for hosting. Thank you for presenting. 0241, 0241. Keep on going. 0241 for the stock bar. 0236. Oh, there we go. All right. All right. Don't drink it all in one setting.
It's going to be a good train ride home.
It's going to be a train ride home. That's right, good train ride home. Okay. We have one more. Gregory, why don't you come up and choose here? So, this will be the big prize for the night. We have a.
Anyone else want to throw their name in the ring here? We only have 2 people.
No, this is for the grill.
All right, perfect. So you're picking it.
I'm doing the grilling. Or no, you're gonna pick it. So we've got an outside pizza oven grill, and
We have to carry that
they're
home.
very unique.
We will ship it. We're gonna do some drop shipping. Alrighty.
Very unique item, very popular nowadays for those grilling and.
Yeah, so it's a
Outside.
Gosney pizza oven for outdoors. So the last 4 is 0225.
Yeah, that's for Igor. He left. He gave it to me.
Igor it is.
All right, there we go. All right.
Congratulations,
Igor, he'll need your shipping
I'll grab
information.
your,
Okay, so with that, guys, thank you very much. Again, if you're staying for dinner, talk to Charles. If not, we hope to see you again very soon. Thank you.